Have you ever faced a choice so overwhelming that it left you feeling stuck? Life is full of decisions, some simple, others deeply complex. But what if you could approach these moments with clarity, calmness, and wisdom? In this video, we'll explore how Buddhist teachings can guide you in making decisions with confidence and peace of mind. Stay with us until the end, and you'll discover how ancient wisdom can bring clarity to your modern life. Number 1. The nature of difficult decisions. Life's choices can feel daunting, but Buddhism teaches us that this struggle is part of the human experience. Often, fear of making the wrong choice keeps us stuck. But here's the truth. Nothing is permanent. The Buddha once said, "Nothing is permanent. Everything is subject to change. Being is always becoming." No matter the outcome, life evolves, bringing new opportunities and lessons. So, take that first step, without fear. Number 2. Cultivating mindfulness before deciding. Before making any decision, it's crucial to calm the mind. Mindfulness, or Sati, helps you stay fully present. Take a moment to sit quietly, focus on your breath, and let distractions fade. As clarity emerges, decision-making becomes easier. A disciple once asked the Buddha how to deal with confusion. The Buddha handed him a bowl of water and said, "Let it sit." As the water settled, so did the disciple's mind. Let your mind settle. The answers will come. Number 3. Aligning decisions with core values. When making a choice, ask yourself, does this align with kindness, compassion, and integrity? Buddhist teachings emphasize actions rooted in ahimsa, non-harm. If your decision aligns with your values, it will bring long-term peace. Write them down. Let them be your compass. Number 4. The role of non-attachment. One of the greatest obstacles in decision-making is attachment to a perfect outcome. But Buddhism teaches Upadana, letting go. A monk once saved a man from drowning. When asked if he feared being pulled under, he replied, "I focused on saving him, not the outcome." Focus on your effort, not the result. This frees the mind from fear. Number 5. Using the Four Noble Truths as a guide. The Four Noble Truths can help guide decisions. Will this choice reduce suffering, dukkha? Is it aligned with balance, the middle way? The Buddha said, "Overcome anger by non-anger. Overcome the liar by truth." Wise decisions come from a place of kindness and balance. Number 6. Seeking wisdom through meditation. Meditation is a powerful tool for clarity. Try metta, loving kindness, or vipassana, insight meditation. Visualize each outcome. Notice how it feels. Ask yourself, what advice would my future self give me? The answer might surprise you. Number 7. Trusting intuition and letting go of fear. Logic is important, but so is intuition. Fear often clouds judgment. Mindfulness helps you release fear and tune into your inner wisdom. The Buddha taught, "Do not dwell in the past. Do not dream of the future. Concentrate the mind on the present moment." Trust your inner voice. It often knows what logic cannot. Number 8. Accepting uncertainty. No decision comes with absolute certainty. Life is unpredictable, but that's okay. A farmer's horse ran away. His neighbors said, "What bad luck?" He replied, "Maybe." The next day, the horse returned with wild companions. "What good luck?" Again he replied, "Maybe." Life is a flowing river of possibilities. Trust the journey. Making difficult choices isn't easy, but with mindfulness and wisdom, you can navigate them with peace. Take time to quiet your mind, align your actions with compassion, and trust the process of life. As the Buddha said, peace comes from within. Do not seek it without. If this video resonated with you, share your thoughts in the comments. Like this video, subscribe for more insights, and let's continue walking the path of mindfulness together. Thank you for watching. May you be well, may you be happy, and may you live in peace.